I go shopping for clothes. I enter the clothing store. I look at new clothes. I choose a shirt. I choose a pair of pants. I check the size carefully. I check the color. I touch the fabric. I try the clothes on. I look in the mirror. I like the fitting. I ask for a different size.
Certainly. This way, please.
I choose another design. I go to the cashier. I pay for the clothes. I take the bill.
I take the bill.
I receive the shopping bag. I leave the store happily. I enjoy shopping for clothes. I wear my new clothes.